so what happened, we brought the kids to Long Island now, and we wanted them to have a Yiddish education, know the holidays and know the traditions and not be left out, of all this stuff. So we had a couple that we knew. In fact, I had met them up at camp. Kinderland was the children's camp. Lakeland was the adult camp. So my wife was working at the time at Lakeland, and so after the service, I went up there and spent 6 weeks at the camp, what I call mooching, working if I had to in the kitchen or in the dining room. And I met this other couple who now lived on Long Island, near where I lived. And so we got together and we decided that we would start a Jewish cultural school. And it was called the Jewish Cultural School of Nassau. And we started this Jewish school, and we went through the rituals. I have the Haggadah here, which we used, which I used later on and made it shorter and this and that. And the children at 13, we had the graduation. You can call it a bar mitzvah, bat mitzvah, whatever you want. And we celebrated, and we had, and what we did was each child, we made a pamphlet, a booklet, and each child that graduated had to write an essay or something about their Jewish backgrounds or what they learned or whatever. So the kids went through, we had, seders, and we had graduation, and we had the whole thing as families, as groups, and they went on for 17 years or something like that. We had 70 kids at one point in the school. Then what happens, you get people who are not left, in a sense, who they want to pay a lot of money to go and their kids, and they wanted to change some of the things in the school. So we sort of became inactive at a point, with the school later on. But kids were finished, they had gone to school and had the background and stuff. And there are still out there left-wing sort of Yiddish things.